Anyone else who's out there grading with PCGS and NGC, please, I beg of you, please tell me in the comments, what have your grades been like since COVID? Welcome to Cointable. I'm Chris Tisdale. I just feel so blessed that you guys are here with me right now. This is a batch that we sent off a while back to PCGS. Guys, for the first time in probably at least 6 years, I have 0 coins at the graders, none. The grading is so that I have none at the graders, which is fine because it just so happens that I have kind of started drifting in a different, I'm changing lanes, so to speak. Let's take a look, see what we got. Here we go. And then we could maybe do some cards. This is box 1. You know that because they do A, B. The next one's gonna be B of B. There's the B over B. Here we go. 1968 through 1970 proof set type stuff. Got a 1969 dime in proof 68 cameo. Oh, here's a 69 cameo, so that's always nice. A 1970 dime in 69 cameo. They don't get deeper or more popish. 1970 68 cam. 1970 68 cam. Yeah, this is lining up to be just like those other batches where they kind of like to figure out what that threshold is, and basically every grade they give you is going to be below it. And by threshold I mean where you make money and where you don't. Well, I'll make decent money on this one. 68 in 68 deep cam. Black and white for a copper proof. It's beautiful. 1968 in 67 deep cam. 1969 and 68 deep cam. Honestly, so far these haven't been bad necessarily. 1969 and 68 deep cam. 1969 and 67. Okay, now this is confusing. How do we go from this, where you've got a 69 that's deep cameo, to this, no cameo, deep cameo, no cameo, deep cameo. 1970 and 67 cameo. $1970 and 66 deep cam. Here we have a 1970 proof cent in 66 deep cam. A 1970 and 67 deep cam. That's a beautiful, beautiful coin. That contrast, just a stud. 1968 and 68 deep cam, nickel. 1951 and 66 red. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not gonna be able to see it with my naked eye and I don't have my loop, but I think that this might be the double-dyed obverse. 1953 and 67 red, the re-engraved. And it is a variety that PCGS does attribute. Let's go through these last few. Here we've got a quarter, a 1950 and proof 67. Looks cameo, but they said no. Do you guys think it's cameo? Because to me, I think it's cameo. Ooh, here we go. We got a 1964 and 69 deep cameo. Black and white. As black and white as they get. Just take a moment. Take a look at that. Just beautiful, beautiful coin. Here we have a 1969S in 68 cameo. I wouldn't have sent it if I didn't think it was deep, and they disagreed. This is one of those coins where I think the lighting makes a huge difference. Under my grading lamp it looked so black and white, but it doesn't even look that heavy right here. So depending on the source of light you're using to look at this coin is going to be the grade that it gets assigned. Pretty fascinating stuff. Here we have a 1952. That's just a amazing looking coin. 66 cameo. Beautiful. And here we have the coin of the batch. A 1954 in 67 deep cam. This coin is absolutely stunning. Black and white, beautiful. 1962 and 67 deep cam. I just no matter what the graders are doing, guys, one thing will forever stay true. I love deep cameo proofs. And then for the last coin of the batch, we've got a 1970 and proof 69 cameo. If that coin's not deep cam, you've never seen one. Alright guys, tell me what you thought. Please subscribe. Tell your friends it's the best freaking coin channel on the tube. See you guys next time.